Traditional games are seen as the best platform for promoting peace, harmony, goodwill, and camaraderie in various Philippine communities. Larong Pinoy is the games of heritage o laro ng Lahi. It is a cultural treasure o yaman ng Lahi cherished by generations of Filipinos. It is a favorite pastime that is close to the hearts of Filipinos. Some common laro ng Lahi, tumbang test, ako, patente, shot, at turongko. Larong Pinoy have become symbols of our cultural heritage and pride. Laro is the Filipino term referring to all forms of recreational play. These games commonly use indigenous or locally available materials and instruments. Play is one of the great ways to help children learn social customs and values. It also an avenue to develop skills in preparation of competitive participation in sports and other everyday situations.